To track missing plumbing parts, keep a written list of every fitting, valve, and connector you remove during a repair, and set them aside in a labeled container the moment they come off, so nothing gets lost or thrown away by accident before the job is finished. Here is something most people never think about. Plumbers often lose track of small parts because they work on a job over several days and forget what they already removed. A great trick is to take a photo of the pipe setup before you touch anything. Then take another photo every time you remove a piece, laying each part next to a sticky note with the date and where it came from. This creates a visual map you can scroll through later instead of relying on memory. Another thing barely anyone talks about is using an old egg carton or a magnetic tray to hold tiny washers, gaskets, and screws, since these are the pieces most often swept away or vacuumed up by accident. Keeping a small notebook near your work area where you jot down each part name as you remove it also saves you from having to guess later what size or type of fitting you need to buy again. One common mistake is assuming you will remember which part goes where without writing anything down, and then realizing days later you cannot recall if a certain elbow joint came from the sink or the shower. Always label parts the second you remove them, even if it feels unnecessary at the time. Another issue is storing loose parts in open areas like a countertop or garage floor, where they easily roll away or get mixed up with unrelated hardware. Use small sealed bags or containers instead, and write directly on the bag with a marker. A lesser-known problem is that many replacement parts look nearly identical but have different thread sizes, so even if you keep track of the part, you might buy the wrong replacement. Bring the old part with you to the store, or take a clear close-up photo of the threads before you go shopping. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.